If there is a more disease-spreading, damage-causing, filthy pest, then that is rats or rodents. I'm Muhammad from Uni Smart Pest Control, and I'm going to share with you 3 simple, effective ways for you to win over the battle of rats. Stay tuned. So tip number 1, seal your cracks and crevices. Although rats are blind, they manage to find the smallest and tightest space to get themselves in. This might sound crazy, but rats can squeeze through holes as small as an inch in diameter. So in order to take some preventative measures, it's extremely important to seal your cracks and crevices around your property. Whether it's your shop or business, keep your closed place clean. So spaces like the attic and rooftop, or even below the sink, are potential favorites for rats to have a stroll around your property. Why? Because rats love dark and moist and even warm spaces. So these are the spaces they love to travel around and breed and infest. Now the final tip is using bait or traps. If you're looking to set a rat trap, it's important to know their characteristics. Like as we discussed earlier, where they can potentially be, what they like, which places they like to be, and so on. So once you know these things, it's much easier from there on. You may use traps like peanut butter, anchovies, pet food, cheese, and place it on a sticky pad and just wait for the rats to be captured. So hope you learned something about rats today. We at Uni Smart Pest Control really hope the best for you and your rat problems. And until the next video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.